Hi everyone, it's Kendy Jane. I said I'd do this video next Monday, but I decided to do it quicker. I'm sorry the lighting's bad. We're in a hotel. Our daughter is at LSU today doing her pre-orientation and testing out of classes and trying out for the band. So I finished all my shopping and I have the prizes here for the April giveaway. And when I finish, I will explain the rules. Some of them have changed. Okay, the first things on the giveaway this month, instead of doing one big prize, I did a few little smaller prizes. So, first thing is 3 face masks. And the first one is a brightening mask by I'm Real. And it's supposed to smell like cherry blossom. Boy, that'll smell awesome, I bet. The other 2 are by Yes 2. One has tomatoes. It's a detoxing clay mask. And the other is a hydrating mask, and it has coconut in it. So I have these two other masks. Okay, the next item is an e.l.f. palette. It's a Correct and Conceal palette, and it says it provides custom coverage to help conceal under eye darkness, blemishes, other skin imperfections, and it helps brighten and neutralize the appearance of under eye creases and circles and redness. So that's that. The next item is also from e.l.f. I have 2 more things. This is an eyebrow kit. It says it's the gel and the eyebrow powder. I've been wanting to get me one like this. I should have bought me one like this. I could have done a demo on it. You take the gel and you brush it really good into your eyebrows, and that helps shape the shape you want. And then you come back with the powder, and then you color in the spaces you want to color in. So that's by e.l.f. And the next product is also by e.l.f. This is a tone correcting powder set, and it has 4 different color powders. It says create a balanced and radiant looking complexion. The lightweight formula helps even out skin tone and absorb excess oil. Sorry about that. It's a sheer formula. It brightens and helps neutralize the skin and redness. So you're supposed to blend the powder over the entire face. So that's by e.l.f. The next thing is a Jaclyn Hill palette. I love mine. I'm not going to take this one out the box, but this is mine, my personal one. You can see how much it's used. Mine has got makeup all over it. And these are the colors. This is one palette, like to come to Baton Rouge, this is the palette I brought. This palette is good for anything, every day. If you don't have this palette, you should. It was 2017's best palette, I thought. And this one had like an absorbent type of hard cardboard type of cover. The new one has more like plastic type of cover where it won't get dirty like this. And also you'll have the names of the eyeshadows on the back. But as you can see, I have no idea what the names are. I thought about writing them under it, but never got to it. But yep, I have a Jaclyn Hill palette. And to go with that, I have some Eco Tools, a brush set. And this is really a good brush set. It's cruelty free, it's not animal hair. And it's also, it comes in this little makeup pouch, which is a sturdy, good zipper pouch. They say it's a clutch that you can use like a purse, but I would think it's more of a makeup pouch. And it has 5 brushes in it. And these aren't cheap little brushes. These are very good brushes. The next 2 items are something everyone should have. I have these. These are makeup sponges. This is by Real Techniques. This sponge is for finishing. It says Miracle Sculpting Sponge. And it, you can see it has some areas that are flat. It has a pointed tip at the bottom to get in the corner of your eye. I have this exact sponge and I love it. And I also have a pack of 2 sponges. These are for putting concealer on, or just whatever you want to use it for. I use it sometimes to get my foundation close to my eyebrows instead of putting concealer. It says 2 Miracle Mini Eraser Sponges. And I think these are like as good as the real makeup sponges. Okay, this is by Makeup Revolution, and it's the Redemption Eyeshadow Palette Essential Mattes. It's 12 different colors. And let me go over a few rules. I had a little issue last month. So from now on, when you subscribe, please make sure you're set to public. That way I can verify your subscription. You need to make a comment under all my videos, as many as you want to make. You can put anything you want, really. You can give me a suggestion on a video idea, anything. And if you go to my Instagram account or my Twitter account or my Facebook account, I'll have all the their names listed under this video. If you make a comment on anything I put up there and subscribe to me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, you'll get an extra entry. And this is what's new this month. I'm trying to figure out what I can do to get more subscribers. If you share my video with someone, you can get an extra entry. If you get somebody to subscribe, just say, hey, Kendy, I got Betty Lou to subscribe, and I can confirm it. You can get 3 extra entries, because that's a big deal, getting a new subscriber. So really, that's the only thing new this month. I really appreciate everybody subscribing. This is why I'm doing this, because I want to say thank you. Our last 2 winners, the first winner was Jay Navarro, and this past month in March it was I just went blank, I'm sorry.
Virginia SV.
Virginia SV, yeah, Miss Virginia. And she has confirmed it, and she'll be getting her palette next week. So thank you so much. And I haven't made a rule, you know, if they get chosen again, that's okay, because they can continue entering if they would like to. And I'd just like to say thank you so much. Until next time, bye.